Premium Scorpion Suture Passer for Arthroscopy by Hasni Surgical, a high-performance instrument engineered for shoulder, knee, and general arthroscopic soft tissue repair. This advanced suture passer is designed to deliver smooth, precise, and controlled suture placement during minimally invasive ligament and tendon procedures. Crafted from medical-grade stainless steel, the Scorpion Suture Passer provides exceptional durability, corrosion resistance, and long-lasting functionality. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures maximum comfort and stability, allowing surgeons to work efficiently even in tight joint spaces. The slender, curved jaw design enables accurate tissue penetration and secure suture capture with minimal trauma. Ideal for rotator cuff repair, labral repair, and meniscal surgeries, this instrument ensures consistent performance in orthopedic operating rooms. Fully autoclavable, reusable, and precision balanced, it is an essential tool for modern arthroscopy. Uses: designed for passing and retrieving sutures during arthroscopic procedures. Ideal for rotator cuff repair, labral repair, and soft tissue fixation. Allows precise tissue penetration with minimal trauma. Suitable for orthopedic surgeons, sports medicine centers, and arthroscopy units.